What if I told you that you could regenerate your own stem cells just by wearing a patch? What if the key to unlocking more energy, faster recovery, and a profound sense of well-being wasn't in a pill or an injection, but in a technology that uses your own body's light and heat? It sounds like something from a movie, a glimpse into a far-off future where human potential is fully unlocked. But that future is closer than you think. This isn't science fiction. This is LifeWave X39, and it's changing lives. In this video, we're diving deep into LifeWave X39, a patented light wave therapy patch designed to rejuvenate your stem cells without any drugs, chemicals, or stimulants. We're going to cut through the noise and give you the real story. We will explore how phototherapy, the science of light, actually works to influence your body at a cellular level. We'll break down what makes the X39 patch a complete game changer in the world of wellness and regenerative health. This is about real science, not hype. We'll also cover exactly who this technology is for, from elite athletes to everyday people seeking more vitality, and show you how you can get started safely and effectively. Stick around, because I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'll show you the kind of real results people are experiencing and explain how you can try it for yourself completely risk-free. So let's start with the foundational science. What exactly is phototherapy? At its core, phototherapy, which is also called light therapy or photobiomodulation, is a process that uses specific wavelengths of light to activate your body's own innate healing power. There are no pills to swallow, no needles, no invasive procedures. Think about it. For thousands of years, humans have intuitively understood the power of sunlight for health. Ancient cultures worshipped the sun not just for its warmth, but for its life-giving properties. In the modern era, this ancient wisdom has been validated by rigorous science. NASA was one of the pioneers in this field, studying the effects of light on astronauts to help maintain muscle mass and bone density in zero gravity. Today, that research has expanded into a massive field. Modern science shows that specific frequencies of light act as powerful signals for our cells. This light can stimulate our mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside every cell, prompting them to produce more energy. It can activate cellular regeneration, telling your body to repair and rebuild. It influences your metabolism, your energy flow, and your body's natural inflammatory response. It's like photosynthesis for humans. Just as a plant uses sunlight to create energy, our bodies can use specific wavelengths of light to trigger profound biological benefits. This brings us to the breakthrough science behind the LifeWave X39. This isn't just a generic light therapy device. It's a highly specific, patented, and wearable phototherapy patch that represents a new frontier in personal wellness. So how does a simple-looking patch achieve this? It's genius in its simplicity. The X39 patch contains a proprietary blend of organic nanocrystals. When you apply the patch to your skin, it's activated by your own body heat. This heat causes the crystals inside the patch to reflect a very precise wavelength of light back into your skin. Nothing is entering your body from the patch. No chemicals, no drugs, nothing transdermal. It's purely a light-based signal. This specific signal is designed to communicate with your cells and elevate a copper peptide known as GHKQ. This is the critical key. GHKQ is a naturally occurring peptide in your body that has been studied for decades, and its benefits are remarkable. One of its most significant roles is its ability to reset thousands of genes to a younger, healthier state, and most importantly, to activate your own stem cells. As we age, our stem cells become less active or dormant. The LifeWave X39 patch essentially wakes them up. By elevating GHKQ, the patch encourages your body to rejuvenate your stem cells, promoting natural healing, regeneration, and a surge in clean energy. The key benefits that users report are a direct result of this process: improved strength and stamina, faster recovery after workouts or injury, deeper and more restful sleep, sharper mental clarity, and an enhanced feeling of overall well-being. It's all accomplished with just light and your body's own incredible natural healing powers. So who is this incredible technology actually for? The answer is surprisingly broad because the benefits of activated stem cells touch nearly every aspect of human health. It's for athletes, both professional and amateur, looking to elevate performance, cutting recovery time, reducing soreness, and boosting stamina to train harder and more consistently. It's for seniors wanting to feel younger and reclaim lost vitality, more energy to play with grandkids, travel, and enjoy hobbies without fatigue or nagging aches. It's for anyone battling chronic fatigue or burnout, people running on empty, seeking sustained, clean energy without caffeine jitters or crashes. It's for those seeking drug-free healing and pain relief, supporting the body's natural repair systems. And it's for biohackers, wellness seekers, and alternative medicine fans, the forward thinkers looking to optimize their health and extend their health span. If you see yourself in any of these groups, you're in the right place. Of course, the science is impressive, but real-world results matter most. Let's talk about the transformations people are experiencing. Take Mark, a 48-year-old marathon runner who struggled with knee pain and long recovery times. After a few weeks of using X39, he reported less pain and faster recovery, even setting a new personal best, something he thought impossible. Then there's Sarah, a 35-year-old entrepreneur battling burnout, trouble sleeping, brain fog, constant exhaustion. Her biggest change? Deep restorative sleep that led to clearer thinking, more creativity, and the energy to handle her business. And Linda, a 65-year-old grandmother who felt her age catching up. She started using X39 and steadily regained vitality, more energy for gardening, socializing, and keeping up with energetic grandkids. These stories aren't isolated. Thousands of testimonials share common themes: better sleep, pain relief, a dramatic vitality boost, and an overall sense of feeling younger and more resilient. This leads to a bigger question: why does this technology matter so much right now? Lifespans are increasing, but health spans, the years lived in good health, aren't keeping pace. We're living longer, but not better. People are tired of reactive medicine, waiting until sickness strikes. The new paradigm is proactive, regenerative health, taking control of your biology, optimizing wellness, and investing in longevity now. Stem cells are the foundation of this future. They're your body's master cells, the internal repair system capable of becoming any needed cell. The ability to safely and non-invasively activate dormant stem cells isn't a minor upgrade, it's a fundamental leap. The LifeWave X39 patch brings this once expensive, clinic-exclusive power into your hands. It democratizes medicine and gives you a tool to take charge of your own health journey. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. It sounds too good to be true. A patch that uses light to regenerate stem cells? Is it a placebo? A scam? I get the skepticism, and it's healthy. Let's address it. First, the placebo effect is real, but X39 results go well beyond it. The tech is backed by over 80 independent clinical studies showing clear effects on the body. This isn't just anecdotal, it's data. Second, it's patented. To get a patent, an invention must be novel, useful, and non-obvious. LifeWave holds multiple patents, meaning this tech has been reviewed and validated as unique. It's not just a sticker with a fancy name, plus the science behind it, photobiomodulation, is well established with hundreds of trials and thousands of published papers on its benefits for inflammation, healing, and cellular energy. LifeWave engineered a uniquely effective way to deliver those benefits. But the strongest answer to skepticism? A risk-free, money-back guarantee. They're so confident in X39's results, they let you try it and decide for yourself. If you don't feel a difference, you get your money back. That's not a scam. That's a company standing behind its product. So how do you get started? It couldn't be easier. Peel, stick, go. Each morning, apply one LifeWave X39 X39 patch to clean, dry skin. Recommended spots include the back of your neck or just below your belly button, but it can go almost anywhere. Wear it for 12 hours while it works with your body's heat. Then remove it and take a 12-hour break before applying a new one. That's it. Consistency is key. Daily use lets effects build over time. It's non-invasive and doesn't transfer anything into the body, so it's safe for most users with no known side effects. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip to maximize your X39 experience. Stay well hydrated. The patch signals your body to repair and regenerate, a process that needs resources. Water is essential for cellular communication and function. Think of X39 as the manager giving instructions and water as the raw material the crew, your stem cells, need to work. Pairing the patch with good hydration, a clean diet, and regular movement creates a powerful synergy, enhancing results and accelerating your path to renewed vitality. If you're ready, there's a link in the description that takes you to the official site so you can learn more and secure the full money-back guarantee. The future of regenerative health isn't coming, it's already here. If today's message resonates with you, take the next step. Subscribe for more deep dives into breakthrough wellness technologies. If you have questions or personal X39 experiences, share them in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. And most importantly, click the link to explore the science and try LifeWave X39 risk-free for 90 days as a preferred customer or 30 days as a brand partner. You've got nothing to lose and a whole new level of vitality to gain. If the future of healing is already here, don't wait for permission to try it. Permission.